Bonjour les amis, j'espère que vous allez bien là où vous êtes, c'est M. Woody ici. Moi également je vais très bien et je suis très content d'être avec vous encore une fois de plus. Mais aujourd'hui nous allons parler d'une petite leçon. Je pense que je vous ai envoyé un travail à la maison, mais ce travail, je sais que c'est un peu compliqué. J'aimerais mieux l'expliquer bien ici, so which means last time I sent you her work, and in that work there was a place I just found out that I have to explain deeply so that you can understand accordingly. So today we are going to talk about how to use, in French we use it to call it point, which means dash dash in English, right? I told you last time that we have to make sure to understand first of all how to use these words, okay? We have here mon, ton, son, notre, votre, leur. Ma, ta, sa, nos, vos, leur. Me, te, se. I think we learned this in class. And in that work, I have to explain deeply so that you can understand here, okay? Mon means mine. Ton means your. Son means his or her, alright? Okay? Notre means our. Votre means yours, okay? Leur means their. Ma means also mine. Ta means your. Sa means his or her, right? No means our or ours, okay? Vo means your. Leur means their. Me means mine, but in plural. Te means yours, but in plural, right? Se means his, but in plural. Okay? Now, according to the work I sent you, nous sommes obligés de comprendre comment les utiliser. So we have to be able, we need to understand now how to use it. Because I see you've been asking questions about yourself on how to use it. For example, j'ai un stylo. Okay? J'ai un stylo. I have a pen. Now, how can we use this? When I say j'ai un stylo means I have a pen. Now that pen belongs to me, okay? I have a pen. That pen belongs to me. So when I need to use this, because that pen belongs to me, I will say, voici mon stylo. So the first thing to do, how to use it, you have to start with voici. Voici means here is. Voici means here is. So voici mon stylo. Here is my pen. I'm using mon. Mon is there, okay, which means mine. So that pen belongs to me. Secondly, j'ai des maisons. J'ai des maisons. I have two houses. J'ai des maisons. Because those houses belongs to me, I will say voici mes maisons because there are two. I'm using plural. Voici mes maisons. Okay? I'm using mes here. My in plural. Okay? Allons-y. Nous avons une belle maison. Nous avons une belle maison. Remember last time when we learned about words, I told you that belle means beautiful. So when I say nous avons une belle maison, we have a beautiful house. We have a beautiful house. Nous avons une belle maison. Because that house belongs to us, it's our house. So I will say, voici nos maisons. Nous avons une belle maison. Voici notre maison. Okay? Yes. Voici notre maison. And here we have our. Notre means our. So all question about this lesson, you will start with voici. Voici means here is. I can say, voici Monsieur Dismas. Here is Mr. Dismas. Voici Monsieur Newton. Here is Mr. Newton. So according to these questions, you have to start with voici, which means here. Okay, here is, right? When I say, nous avons une belle maison, because that house belongs to us, I will say, voici notre maison. Notre means our, okay? Our house, okay? Because the house belongs to us, right? Elle a une pomme. Elle a une pomme. She has an apple. Elle a une pomme. She has an apple. Now, according to this question, this sentence, if I need to answer according to the lesson, I will say, voici sa pomme. So always you have to start with voici. Voici means here is her apple. Her, sa. You can see here, sa is here. His or her. Okay? His or her. Sa means his or her. So, elle a une pomme. She has an apple. And because that apple belongs to him or to him or her, you will say, voici sa pomme. Because the pomme, because that apple belongs to him or her. Okay? Elle a une pomme. Here is, she has an apple. Voici sa pomme. Here is her apple, right? Tu as une gomme. You have a rubber. Tu as une gomme. Voici ta gomme. We are using ta. Mon, ton, son, notre, votre. Ta means your. Okay? Tu as une gomme. Voici ta gomme. So when you see this, the first thing to use is voici in all questions according to this lesson. When you say tu as une gomme, voici ta gomme. It's just very simple. First of all, you have to think. Voici ta gomme. So you're talking about someone, maybe your friends or someone else, right? Il a un livre. Remember always the verb to have. Il a means he has. Il a un livre. He has a book. Now, if you need to answer to this question, it's very simple. Voici son livre, because this book belongs to him. Voici son livre. Okay? C'est ma maman. C'est ma maman. So when you say c'est ma maman means she's my mom. Okay? She's my mom. So you are talking to your mom. So now you need to talk about it according to the lesson. You will say, voici ma maman belong, because mommy belongs to you. We are using ma. Okay? Ma means mine. So we can use mon or mine, it depends. But here, c'est ma maman. You will answer, voici ma maman. I know you've been asking questions, and this is the reason why I've decided to teach this lesson so that you can understand. So all questions according to this lesson, please make sure to start with voici. Now you have to make sure to understand deeply on how to answer according to ma, mon, ton, son, notre, votre, l'air. Ma, ta, sa, nos, vos, l'air, mes, tes, ses. So all of them you will know. Mon means my, ton. So make sure to write it please where you are. J'ai besoin que vous compreniez. I want you to understand deeply. So when you see a sentence, for example here, j'ai un stylo. Because the pen belongs to you, you will say, voici mon stylo. Voici mon stylo means, here is my pen. Ok? Je pense que pour aujourd'hui, on s'arrête là. S'il y a une question, peut-être, je vais une fois de plus continuer avec la même leçon pour que vous compreniez très bien à la prochaine occasion. Au revoir les élèves.